What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we got something a bit different from my usual routine. It's not Hot Wheels, it's not Tomica, it's not Birago, but it is from Shell itself. So this is actually a BMW M4 Motorsport right here from Shell. My dad actually got it from the petrol kiosk in Malaysia when he was pumping fuel. And she got this, and this came with this. So it's a Bluetooth remote control battery. I have no idea how it works, how it functions. There is instructions in the back, so we're gonna look at that in a while, but I just thought, why not, let's just do a quick video. I have no idea how any of this works, but as we go along, I'm gonna unbox and I'm also gonna show you the car, and then we're gonna figure out step by step. So like I mentioned, this is a BMW M4 Motorsport with the iconic red and yellow Shell decal right here. Looks nice. We are gonna quickly unbox this though. Let me just, sorry about that, let me just get a pen knife real quick, and we are gonna create a slit. So and let's see, yada, and we got it out of there, and there you have it, the BMW M4 Motorsport. Sorry, I got confused. So it looks, all in all, the car looks amazing. It's relatively heavy as well. I think this is a 1:41 scale, bigger than what I collect, 1/64. But I do have different scale cars in my collection, just not a lot because of space constraints mostly. Anyways, this car, right off the bat, the wheels, obviously the wheels are, there's motors and stuff, so it doesn't spin well for the back, but the front spins nicely. There's the rotation for the axle as well. Then there is the thing at the bottom where you fix the rotation. Anyways, the car, obviously the paint job is insane. The yellow, red, white decal that goes very well with the Shell logo. Obviously, then we've got the Shell V-Power decal right here with the logo. Wing mirrors, we've got nice rubber wing mirrors. Boing, that's nice. Fenders are really nice. Let's look at the body kit on the side skirts, the rear fender, the front splitter, and that's where we're gonna go now. Just look at that front splitter. Just insane. The details on this is really nice for its quality. So you've got the BMW logo right here, the front headlights, the plastic headlights, front lip or the splitter, which is actually quite huge, and obviously we've got the fender flares with all the aerodynamic parts. If you look on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same design. The front body kit with the flares, the side skirts, the decal right here, the wing mirrors, the rear tire, this magnificent paint job I think for this. And if you look at the rear, Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because check this out. I mean, this car is really girthy. There's a bit of hair right there. Let me just try. Okay, so it's quite girthy. Just look at the fenders, and obviously we've got the spoiler right here. Very nice spoiler. It says BMW and Motorsport, and it's just very girthy. We've got the BMW logo right there as well, and a rear diffuser over here, which is quite wide as well, and it just looks amazing. Of course, we've got plastic rear light temples. It's a bit dented here, if you guys can see, but it doesn't matter, it's just a little defect. Anyways, if you look at the car from the top right here, we've got Shell logo 1, Shell logo 2, the BMW M Motorsport decal right here, and obviously we've got some blacked out trim for the car. So obviously we can't see the interior of the vehicle, but that doesn't matter. And the base, obviously, like I showed you, this is the portion where you adjust the rotation of the front axle. So if you got it's quite tight here, doesn't matter. I think the axle should be fine. And then here you can see the little slots. You gotta open this, and something goes there. So what goes there is this. So this is the Bluetooth remote control battery. So the instructions say to install this at the bottom of the car, download the QR code, and we can play. So we're gonna do exactly that, and hopefully it's as foolproof as it seems. So let's just get this out. Oh, there's an instruction manual here, which is exactly what I need. So let's look at the instruction manual first. It says it's a rechargeable Bluetooth remote control battery, yada, steering adjustment, yada, the switch. This is correct. Obviously, guys, look at this. Please take note, the angle is wrong here. And that's about it. Yeah, I have to scan this QR code later on to download the app. But yeah, okay, so here's what's in the case. So obviously you have a battery with the switch and a little charging unit. So we are gonna put this into the car right here. So let's, I can only use common sense and say it's gonna go in this way. See if I'm right. Oh, it's in, guys. Okay, so switch on, does nothing. We are gonna try to download the app, and in the meantime I'm gonna try to charge this car. I have to look for the way to charge it, and then yeah, hopefully I can play it right. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So I just managed to download the app, and once you open the app, you just press the remote control and actually searches, and it's actually quite fast. It links to the car itself, and here is just a simple buttons, and then I managed to test it out. And now guys, this is insane. I'll leave you to enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys towards the end. And yeah, a rather short video. I just had to unbox this because it was a nice surprise from my dad. And I just let you guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.